classic T008K. So let's have a look. So I've not played this yet, so I don't know what it's going to be like. It's got that little thing that you can clip on your belt, so you can have that on your belt if you want to. Nice case. Yeah, it's the 008K. There you go. Finally, they're telling us. It's a 008K. But this is the 2.0, so this should be better than the one that's not a 2.0. Ah, I can feel that the back is much smoother, much more rounded. Look at that, beautiful. And embossed. There, that's very nice. Edges are rounded. Updated version, it says here. There you go. Now we know. That's nice. Very nice. Looks lovely. Let's see what it sounds like. So I can feel with my finger on there which way up it is. That's going to be clearly upside down. That's going to be clearly the right way up. So that's very clever. Nice. Very nice. That's much better. Much, much better than the previous T008K. So you can play lots of tunes, can't you, with just chords. Or some Caribbean songs, what are they called? Calypsos. So it plays nicely as a chord instrument. Let's have a look at the individual notes. But that's amazing. Very smooth, very good response. That's surprisingly different. I'm just doing a little 3-note pattern now. So on hole 1, blow, draw, shift up and draw. And I just repeat that pattern all across the instrument. And then reverse it on the way down. Very loud. Can't wait to see what it bends like. Let's have a look at the bending. Beautiful 2-draw bend. 1 draw. 3 draw. Beautiful. I'm really surprised with this. That's hole 4. 5 will be a quarter bend. So that means that the 5 draw is, this is going to be equal temperament, I think, because there's plenty of room for me to bend down on that. 6 draw. 7 blow. 8 blow. 9. 10. Little squeaky, but not too bad. Could tweak that a little bit, but apart from that, outstanding. So I like to test the response by saying something like Taka-Taka, Taka-Taka. Works really well. Beautiful. Well, I must say I'm highly impressed with the extended version, or the what do they call it? Updated version. Very clear update to me. Very, very clear indeed. Now, let's try the overblows. I'm never confident with these, but let's have a go. 6. Yeah, a bit squeaky. 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 So these are easily tweaked. You can sort this out quite easily. Oddly enough, hole 1 overblow was the easiest. 2. You don't normally use hole 2 and 3 overblow, but it's good to test them. Yeah, so it's not set up for overblows. It's absolutely guaranteed not to be set up for overdraws, which I'll try now. Let's try 7. No, okay, so overblows and overdraws is not going to work on this instrument initially, but you can easily tweak that. You can put some Micropore tape on the very center of the middle of the center of the reed. That should stabilize it. Or you can put something like nail varnish on the just the heel of the reed, where the thin part of the reed meets the thick part that's spot welded. So this is quite easy to tweak, but it doesn't work out of the box. However, this, I must admit, I'm extremely impressed. Well done, Easttop. Now, I don't know what the price is, because the lovely people at Easttop just sent that to me for a review. I'm pretty impressed with that.